You guys, I'm back. It is lunchtime. I'm hungry. I have fried chicken, golden fried chicken. I just fried it. I have spinach dip. It's hot. I don't want to touch it. Spinach dip. I just made that. I got bread over here. Some toasted bread. I got this new, that ain't new. It's new to me. Smash. Smirnoff Ice Smash. I'm gonna have that for. I'm having that. And I got water. I'm gonna set my grace and I'm gonna get it in. Y'all look at this chicken. Look at this chicken. Look at this chicken, baby. It is beautiful. About to mess this up, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah, I'm about to mess this up. I'll show y'all this. It's finished up. It's hot, y'all. My hand is in the way, but I'm not trying to spill it. How y'all doing? How y'all feel? I gotta get a bite, y'all. Put me some chips up here on my skin is good. It's gonna be delicious. I started to just eat white bread, but I said toast it with butter. Butter make everything better. Try not to drop my chips, y'all. I also got my ranch and my hot sauce. Hot sauce, ranch. Got that Frank's Red Hot, love it. And just finish it real quick. Let me try to get y'all a bite. I don't know why I be trying to do this with my left hand, like I'm right-handed. I'll get up on there. Yum. I got ready to fry my chicken. Didn't have a lick of vegetable oil. I ain't had no oil. None. I said, well, how you gonna fry that chicken then? But I didn't want to air fry chicken today. I wanted fried chicken because I hadn't had it in a while. Like my own fried chicken is what I'm saying. I've had it on the channel before. But as far as my own fried chicken, I haven't had it in a minute. So I said, I'm about to fry me some of this chicken. Make me some spinach dip. Get off into pieces of chicken. Hopefully it ain't too hot. If it's hot though, y'all. Y'all hear that? It's really, really good, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. That's hot. Y'all, I started to eat white rice with this. But I'm glad I chose spinach dip. But it is delicious. Mm-mm-mm. Need more sugar, but that's delicious. Well, I just dropped one, yeah. Man overboard. Let me show y'all this. Oh, it ain't not that hot anymore. Some of them soft chips, yeah. Mm. Mm. No. Not much talking today, y'all, because I'm trying to dip that in something I ain't got to dip it in my hot sauce. I ain't talking much today, y'all. I'm about to eat. Love that part. Mm. It's delicious. Let me open this. Get some water first, though. I normally don't like sweet drinks like that. I'm just trying it. Because seeing I was like, oh, peach mango. I like mango. I said, I want to try this drink. Just wanted to try it. Happy Father's Day, everybody. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, fellas. Women who consider themselves fathers. Happy Father's Day. Everybody, happy Father's Day. Happy freaking Father's Day. Hope y'all have a good time. Mm-hmm. Ooh, this is so good. Mm-mm-mm. This is good. This is good. It's very mangoey. And you taste the peach. It's really good. Like I said, I don't really like sweet drink, but that's not even too sweet at all. It ain't too sweet at all, y'all. I'm not promoting drinking, but that ain't too sweet at all. It's pretty good. Oh, cheese. Trying to get that bone out of there, y'all, but I'm gonna bite it off here in a minute. I ain't got no ranch. Let me give you some. I can have some ranch. It's a very little bit. I like to mix my hot sauce with my ranch, so y'all. That's what I'm about to do. Comment below and tell me if y'all ever mix your hot sauce with your ranch with your hot sauce. I'm telling you. It's a good flavor. It's like spicy ranch with a hot sauce flavor. I'm gonna try to do another video tonight. When I eat it around this time, I think it's mopping. I think it's 1. Might be 2 o'clock. 1:32. I'll be full for the rest of the day. And I forgot all about my bread, y'all. Forgot about my bread. Yeah. I usually be full for the rest of the day, all the way up to late night time. And a lot of times I'm like posting videos at that time of night, but I do all the time because it's a struggle, y'all. So I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. This bread is bomb. Jeez Louise. I'm dipping in spinach dip, y'all. It's good. I toasted that bread in a skillet with that real butter. That real butter. That is fire. Honestly, y'all, I don't really eat toast unless I do it on a skillet, in a cast iron skillet or it's a regular skillet. I won't eat it like that. Because to me, my personal opinion is, to me it tastes so much better. And the butter just soaks in. And it's just like, and it's just not just sitting on top of there. And it's throughout the whole complete bread. It'd be so good. This spinach dip is fire, y'all. I can't wait to start my cooking channel, because I am going to start one. For recipes and how I cook things. Because I would like to share with y'all how I make my food when I make it. And my other dishes I be making off camera. I want to share that with y'all. I might just put it up without no videos first. And if that's y'all thing, y'all can go over there and subscribe to watch me cook this stuff. If that's your thing. This damn nose of mine. Man. Yeah, I literally have to pray for no anxiety and no camera shyness when I get on here because, honey, I truly be having it. I have it real bad. And a lot of times when you don't have enough support and recognition and people just what's the word I'm looking for? Celebrating you as a child. A lot of people have it. I am an advocate. And I'm not mad about it. I'm growing through it though. Getting much better than every day. With every day come, I'm getting much better. Excuse me, y'all. I'm getting much better at it. Yeah, I have to say this out loud because some people gonna be like, no. I'm not really a fan of ranch on my chicken. No. I love me some hot sauce and ketchup. And a lot of times I eat ranch on my chicken, but my grandkids, they want ranch on everything. My daughter as well, and she's my daughter's 32 years old, and she loves ranch on her stuff as well. But me, I'm not that ranch chicken person at all. I'm getting full, y'all. She getting full. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all watching, whoever be watching. And I appreciate my subscribers because y'all don't have to support me. Y'all don't. And y'all do. And I sorry for the stuttering. That's the anxiety coming out. And that camera shy. I truly appreciate it. I really do. And look at me talking about I ain't gonna be talking in this video. I've been talking a whole almost 20 minutes. Girl. Because she really got something to say. It's just really hard for me to get out half the time because, like I said, that camera shyness and the anxiety together. Yeah. But honestly, I had the same thing in school, y'all. I just couldn't. They wanted me to get up on stage or get up and read in front of the class. That reading in front of the class was such a struggle for me, y'all. And sometimes when I talk about it now, it still strikes a little sensitive nerve in me. But I have to be doing better to be on this camera in front of thousands, potentially millions of people and able to sit here without just folding and getting off and just saying, I can't do it. So, to me, that shows growth within myself. And those of who that feel the same way I do, it's possible it can be done. I'm a work in progress, and God ain't through with me yet. Trust me, God is not through with me yet. These chips are so good. It's easy, y'all. They are so delicious. It's them. They are delicious. They are soft. They're soft and crunchy ones. Then and crunchy. Then and crunchy. They're so delicious. This bread and spinach there. I made too many pieces of chicken, y'all. Cause I'm full. I kind of ate the whole thing of spinach dip. Then I'm gonna look now. Fire. Probably not gonna drink that, y'all, cause honestly, I was just trying it. So, if you're new, thanks for coming. Thank you so much. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy to see all of y'all. Thank y'all. And as always, the sky's the limit. Protect your peace. Stay in good health. Be blessed. Be kind to others. Protect your energy, people. Thank you. Much love. Okay, y'all. Much love, blessings, and peace. Bye, y'all.